Blogging can be a great way to earn money, but it takes time, effort, and dedication. Here are some tips on how to earn with blogging. Choose a profitable niche. To earn money with blogging, you need to choose a niche that has a large audience and is profitable. Some popular niches include personal finance, health and wellness, and lifestyle. Create high-quality content. Your blog needs to have high-quality, informative content that engages your readers. Focus on creating content that provides value to your readers and helps solve their problems. Build an audience. You need to build an audience that engages with your content and shares it with others. Use social media, SEO, and other marketing tactics to promote your blog and attract new readers. Monetize your blog. There are many ways to monetize your blog, including advertising, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products or services. Choose the monetization methods that are best for your niche and audience. Stay consistent and persistent. Blogging takes time and effort. You need to stay consistent and persistent with your content creation and promotion to build a successful blog that earns money. Remember, earning money with blogging takes time and effort. You need to be patient and willing to put in the work to see results.